Hello there. In this video, we will understand the live stage activities and controls for the attendees in the conference format. Let's get started. When you are in the reception page, go to the schedule and find the event that is live. Click on join to join the session. When the session is live, you will see the host and speakers on the stage, and your mic and camera will be muted by default. At the top left, you will see that the event is live and the timer. You will see the name of the session and how many people are there in this session. At the bottom, you will see all the emoji reactions. You can also use keyword numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for this emoji reactions. If you want to come to the stage to share your thoughts and ideas, you can simply click on raise hand. Whenever you raise a hand and request to be on the stage, the session host can choose to either hand you a mic or decline your request. And once the session host hands you the mic, you will be on the stage with the speakers and the host. Now you can unmute yourself or turn on your camera and share your ideas. If you want to share your screen, simply click on this present icon and either share your screen or share PDF. You can also use emojis by clicking on here and selecting different emojis or using the shortcut keys on your keyboard. If you have any camera or mic issues, or if you want to change your virtual background, simply click on this two-line icon and from there select the background that is available, or you can also blur your background. If you want to add your own background, you can do from here. And now test your camera, and if you have many cameras, choose it from here. Set up your microphone, test your microphone, same with speaker, right? And once done, click on save. And if you're done sharing your ideas and thoughts on the stage, you can click on this icon again to leave the stage. The session host can also directly invite you on the stage. And when they do, you will get this pop-up. Simply click on accept invite and you will be on the stage with the host and the speakers. In this case, when you are invited by the session host, you will be seen as a speaker. And once you are done sharing your thoughts and ideas, the host can remove you from the stage. And as per your bandwidth needs, you can also click on here and select different bandwidth modes. That is high definition, low definition, audio only mode, or light mode. Coming on to the right hand side, you will see this schedule icon. So from here, you can schedule a meeting by clicking on schedule meeting. Give your meeting a name. You can also set up the date, set up the start time and the duration. You can add people who are on your event. Simply click on these check boxes and add. Now, once you have added these people, you can send a request, and the request will be sent to those people who you have requested to meet with. The people who are invited can either decline or accept the invitation. Also, the people who are invited to join the scheduled meeting will be able to join the meeting only 10 minutes prior the meeting starts. 10 minutes before the event starts, this accept button will become active and they can accept and join the meeting. And if you do not want to be invited to any of the meetings, you can enable this button beside stop meeting request. And once you have enabled this, nobody will be able to invite you to the meetings. And if you want to be invited again, you can disable this, and then the people will be able to invite you to their meetings. Scheduling meeting is helpful when you want to do one-on-one meetings or separate meetings with a particular group of people. Coming on to the feed, in this section, you will see all the chats and comments written by the event attendees. You can also participate by coming on here and typing in your text. If you want to reply a text, simply hover your cursor over there and click on reply and reply to the text. You can also use emojis from here. Or if you want to directly message this person, simply click on the three dot icon and click on direct message and write in the direct message. Let's say somebody is abusing in the chat section during the event, and if you want to report that, simply hover over the message that you want to report, click on the three dot icon and click on report. Now coming on to the events poll. The polls that you see here beside the feed is the event label poll. All the people inside the event, irrespective of the session they are in, they will be able to vote on this. Simply vote and you are good to go. In this section, you will see all the people who are participating in this event. You can also view the people in the different views. From here itself, you can also send a message to that person right? Direct message. Or you can schedule a direct meeting by clicking on here. Coming on to the direct message section, just click on it. And here you will see all the direct messages that people have sent you or you have sent to the people. Now click on alerts to see all the announcements during the event. You can also update your profile by going here and clicking on my profile and clicking on complete profile and setting up all the information. You can also enter the interest by clicking on here and selecting any interest here, right? You can select up to 5 interests. Once done, it will be shown up here. You can also add LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and website links by clicking on them and putting on the links, which will show up here as well. You can also update or upload your photos from here. Once done, click on save. If you want to change the text language of this event, simply click on here, click on language, and select the language you want to change the text into and save it. If you want to exit the event, simply click on exit and you should be able to exit the event. Now coming on to this section, this is the session feed where anyone can chat with each other during this session. This is the Q&A section where people will post their questions. If the comment feature is enabled by the organizer, you can simply click on comment and answer people's question. And if you want to remove the question that you have added, simply click on the three dot icon and remove your question. And if you want to upvote somebody else's question, you can simply click on this icon. Now, if the Q&A moderation is enabled by the organizer and when you post a question, it won't be published for the attendees at instance. It will ask for the session host approval. And once the session host approves, only then it will be published for the attendees. If the session host rejects this question, then this question will not be shown to the public. Coming on to this section, this is where you see all the people who are present in this particular session. And from here, you can see their full profile or you can see them in different grid views. From here, you can also send them a message or schedule a meeting. Or if there are thousands of people, you can also select them by their name. Here, you will see the session level poll. This poll will be seen only to the people inside this session. You can vote on them by clicking on there. And last one is the hide panel. If you want to hide this RHS section, simply click on this collapse icon and it will collapse down. And if you want to show it, simply click on here. Now coming on to the bottom right, there is this question mark icon. So if you're having any problems or any kind of issues during the session, you can simply join our 24/7 lounge by clicking on here or chat with the support team. Or if you want to just browse our help articles, you can do so from here. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.